On the shores of Dubai, the most ambitious hotel project in history is rising from the sea. Before the hotel could rise, a brand new island had to be reclaimed from the Persian Gulf.
A massive rock breakwater was installed to protect the foundation from the currents.
Vibrocompaction stabilized the loose sand, creating a base solid enough for a skyscraper. Hundreds of concrete piles were driven deep into the bedrock to support the immense weight.
The foundation raft required a continuous pour of concrete, lasting 48 hours.
Using slip-form technology, and the central concrete core rose at a speed of 1 floor per week.
The organic curves of the bird required custom-bent steel, manufactured with extreme precision.
Massive cranes lifted the curved neck sections into place, locking the skeleton together.
Behind the tower, a massive steel web was assembled to support the iconic tail feathers.
Wind tunnel testing was crucial to ensure the giant fan wouldn't act like a sail. Tuned mass dampers were installed to counteract the sway from the strong desert winds.
Special iridescent glass was developed to mimic the shimmering colors of peacock feathers.
As the glass cladding went up, and the concrete skeleton transformed into a shimmering jewel.
The tail feathers feature massive eye-shaped glass modules that act as solar collectors. Transparent solar technology allows the feathers to generate power for the entire resort. The head creates a dramatic cantilever housing the exclusive observation deck. The beak is a terrifying glass-bottomed walkway, suspended 300 meters in the air.
The crowning glory is the golden crest installed by helicopter at the very peak.
Inside the cavernous atrium, an army of workers began the complex interior fit-out.
Rare blue marble was sourced from Italy to match the royal color palette.
Artisans laid the marble in intricate patterns, mimicking the flow of feathers.
A central chandelier weighing 20 tons was hoisted into the apex of the atrium.
Miles of gold leaf were applied by hand to accent the architecture.
The suites feature curved floor-to-ceiling glass to maximize the spectacular views. Bathtubs carved from solid stone had to be craned in before the facade was sealed.
Millions of mosaic tiles were hand-laid to give the pool its shimmering color.
Thick acrylic windows were installed for the underwater suites in the foundation. A private lagoon was filled with marine life for the underwater guests.
Exotic plants from around the world were brought in to create a tropical oasis.
An invisible mesh of LED lights allows the building to change color at night.
A massive data center controls the smart systems of the entire resort. The high-speed elevators were tested to ensure a smooth ride to the cloud deck.
The main kitchen is a factory of food capable of serving 5,000 guests.
The rooftop restaurant received the final touches of velvet and gold.
A retractable helipad was installed to welcome VIP guests.
Before opening, a team of abseilers polished every inch of the glass skin.
A fleet of trucks delivered the custom furniture for the grand opening.
An army of staff was trained to provide royal service.
The entrance fountains were synchronized to dance with music.
The architects performed one last walkthrough to approve the masterpiece.
After 5 years of construction, the doors finally opened. Autonomous robots began their rounds, delivering service to the room. The pool deck instantly became the most Instagrammable spot in the world. The underwater suites offered a view that no other hotel could match.
Dining in the clouds became the ultimate culinary experience.
The Feather Club opened its doors to the city's nightlife elite. Pyrotechnic teams prepared the building for the biggest show on Earth.
The grand opening was a spectacle of light, sound, and fire.
Keeping the jewel shining requires constant care and maintenance.
A structure that pushed the boundaries of physics and luxury.
Thanks for watching the making of the giant Peacock Hotel.